This is a really cool hair dryer. It works super well, high airflow and really quiet operating. The intake is down here on the handle. You can remove the filter for cleaning dust out of it, and the air blows out through this ring on the front. You can attach these concentrator nozzles to it. There's a small one there and a large one. They're really easy to attach to it. Just magnetically attaches to this ring on the front. I'll turn it on and show you how quiet it is. So that's low airspeed. You can see the airspeed indicator and highest temperature. There's 3 temperature settings. That's one of the nozzles on there. So it works super well, and I'm really impressed with how quiet it is. You can see my cat is sitting over there and he's not disturbed in the least by it. It's a super great hair dryer.